to write a function that finds intersection between two sets without using the intersection method, firstly, let me define what an intersection is. An intersection refers to items that are found on both set 1 and set 2, or two sets. For example, in my case, I would have set 1 and set 2. Let's say set 1 has A, B, C, and set 2 has B, C, D. So my intersection here in this scenario, it's B and C, because these two are found on both sets. Okay, right. Now, my approach to this would be to loop through set 1. And then after looping through set 1, I can then check through set 2 to see if anything is found on both sets. And if something is found on both sets, then I'll make my function to add this to the results. So I'll use the for each to get the results, right? Now, to create my function, then I'll have to create first an empty set, and then add these items, add the items from set 1 to to the empty set, and then also add the sets, the items of set 2 to the empty set. Well, now it's no longer empty because it now has items from set 1. So now do the for each to get the values. So for each item that is in set 1, if it's in set 2, it should be added on the results. So my results would contain the values that are found on both set 1 and set 2. Okay, now the second part of the question is asking about how to write a function that finds the union between two sets without using the union method. Now, a union, I would define it as well as I have defined the intersection. A union refers to items that are only found on one set and not found on the other, which is going to be the opposite of what an intersection is. So in this case, I'm looking for what actually a set comprises of things that are not duplicates, right? Because previously we were looking for the duplicates of a set. So to do this, I would loop through both sets. I'll loop through set 1 and then loop through set 2. Then add the results. Okay, since a loop, like we're saying that a set does, it's automatically set to avoid duplication. So the results will be the items that I've only found in one set and not found on the other. So what I would do, like in the previous case, I would create an empty set. Then after creating an empty set, I will loop through set 1 and then loop through set 2. So after looping through, I'm adding the results to the set, and then loop through the results to the set, and then return my results. This will give me the union between these two sets.